Water Saver Aerator. Water problems are becoming severe day by day all over the world. Many efforts are being made to address this. You can help too. Firstly, use water as per requirement as little as possible. And secondly, install an aerator on your tap. An aerator is a type of small filter that can be attached to the tap. Water Saver Aerator is a small device that can easily be attached to the tap. Using it helps save water. Water passing through the aerator is divided into many small streams. As the water flows, air mixes in. The small holes in the aerator reduce the strong flow of water. But because the water spreads out, you can still do your tasks easily with less water. Let's see how to install the aerator. To install the aerator, we require an aerator, monkey pliers, safety hand gloves, a jar, a mobile phone, Teflon tape, and cotton. First, wear the safety gloves. Now go to the tap where the pillar cork is installed. Turn on the pillar cork and check the water flow of the normal aerator. Take a plastic jar for this. Set the stopwatch on your mobile to 6 seconds. Fill the jar with water by keeping the pillar cork on for 6 seconds. Mark the water level in the jar with a pen. Empty the jar and set it aside. Remove the normal aerator of the pillar cork by turning it anti-clockwise with your hand. If you have trouble turning it with your hands, use monkey pliers. Now slowly attach the Water Saver Aerator to the pillar cork by turning it clockwise. Again, set your mobile timer to 6 seconds. Take the empty jar and fill it with water from the tap. After 6 seconds, turn off the tap and mark the water level in the jar again. Compare the two marks in the jar. See if there is a difference in water levels after using the normal aerator and the Water Saver Aerator. You can see that using the Water Saver Aerator saves a lot of water. Finally, here's a task for you. Install a similar Water Saver Aerator in your house and save water.